Do you know what I am doing here? I am practicing my English at the same time. I am taking morning walk and sunlight. You know, morning walk and sunlight are very important for our health. If we can take this every morning, our health will become good. So we should take this every morning. Even though I can't take this every morning, however, I try to take this. Now I am on the roof of the fifth floor and there is nobody around me. Let me show you all the roof. Look, there is nobody and the sun is rising right now. I am taking sunlight. The sunlight is very warm in the winter morning. So it is comfortable. Allah Hafiz, keep learning, keep practicing. If you really want to improve your speaking skills, you have to practice a lot. Everywhere you go. No problem where are you right now. You have to practice a lot, then your English will become good. And you will be able to speak in English fluently. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.